In this video, I will show you how to make like this text effect using Canva. So let's start. First, we have to add the picture or the element that we want to use. For example, me, I want to use this one. I would just make it like this. And after that, I will go to element. I will search for frames, click see all and click F. I S and H, fish. So make sure that you are putting it in the right place. I will make them a little bigger. So after doing this step, I will go to the another step. I will go right now and take my picture that I use as a background. So drag it on this F and double click and make it like this. And come again and drag the picture to this letter I. Click double click and make it the same as we do on the first letter. Go to picture and drag it also here, click double click and again do the same. And right now guys, when I finish, I will go to the first letter F and I will go to this border style. I will make it in maybe 13 or 14. I will go to color and change the color to white. And I will copy the style and come to second and paste. Copy the style and paste here. Copy and paste. And right now I will click on the background and I will click on remove background. And guys, here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, leave a subscribe. See you next tutorial.